Hello guys, to debug SQL queries, what tool do you use to view those queries that happen under the hood of Eloquent in Laravel? You probably use something like Laravel Debugbar or Telescope or Ray from Spotty or something like that. What if I told you you don't need any external tool for that, and this is kind of a hack from Taylor Otwell himself? This is the screenshot of what I've noticed kind of casually, unintentionally, while watching his Laracon US keynote. You can listen to the queries and dump them somewhere just with one line of code without any external tools like Debugbar or anything. You can see the result on the screen, and I tried to reproduce a similar situation in my own project, and let me demonstrate. So in almost any place of your project where you need to listen to queries, you just put db listen. db is facade from Illuminate support, and then function query. You may have callback function in short form or longer form. You have query to raw SQL, and you can do whatever with it. For example, dump, like in Taylor's case at Laracon US, or info would put that into a log, into storage logs Laravel log. And this is the page in the browser, and if I reload that, it doesn't change visually, but now we can open Laravel log and see this. All the select statement, update statement, including all the parameters. For example, if we scroll to the right, number 15 is not any question mark or any hidden parameter, exactly the SQL queries that were executed. Of course, maybe log is not the most convenient way to view those queries. Of course, you can dump like Taylor or do something else. Or maybe you can use some external log viewer to view those files in a better way. That's a personal preference, but what I wanted to show you is this one-liner. In cases that you need to just quickly listen to the queries without installing anything external, this may be a good solution. What do you think? Or which tool do you prefer to view the SQL queries? We can discuss in the comments below. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.